How to use LightCut Video Editor. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now tap on Search Apps and Games and type LightCut. Now click on Search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on LightCut and simply tap on Install. Now while the app is being downloaded, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Now after installing, simply tap on Open and wait for some time. Now click on Agree and tap on Accept. Now on the home page, give all the permissions. You can also access the templates. Now go back and tap on One Tap Edit. Now select a video. Now select your videos. Now tap on Next and wait for some time. Now tap on the scissors icon. Now if you want to crop the video, simply tap on Crop. Now adjust the frame, tap on OK. If you want to adjust the volume, tap on the sound icon. Now increase the volume as per your need and tap on OK. Now tap on OK. Now to export the video, simply tap on Export at the top right corner. You can also choose your quality, tap on 1080p. Now choose your quality and click on Export. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.